On today's video, I'm gonna show you the different method of designing roof plan. There are different kind of method of designing complex roof, depending on your flexibility on the software. But today I'm gonna use Archicad 21 to show you how this roof is done. So now I have some basically type of roof here that I want to show you. Basically here we have 10 type of roof based on Google research. You see, look at the names. We have gable roof, we have hip roof, we have Dutch roof, and we have Martian roof, we have flat roof, you see, and we have shade roof, we have butterfly roof, and we have gambrel roof and domo roof. So with all this kind of roof, due to your flexibility of the software, you can design all of this roof without hesitating or without thinking twice. Yeah. So on this, if you can check, you can see some of them, they're having some holes on it. You understand? All of this things depend on the flexibility of the software, how you can manage to use it. Depending on how you understand the software, it could be Revit, it could be SketchUp, but today I'm gonna show you how to use it with Archicad. And here too, I'm having some kind of roof here that you can design using that flexibility, using that same software. So on here, this particular roof now, we're gonna show you the flexible method. Some of them are not here, but some of them I can introduce the other method, like the round method of designing roof, just the basic method of how to edit those particular roof. That's what I'm trying to show you. So let me go back to my Archicad software. Now let me assume that we have a roof, we have a wall. This is the wall that we're having. Yeah, this wall now is grouped. So I'll press my Ctrl+Shift+G to ungroup them. Ctrl+Shift+G to ungroup them. You can see it's having some slide dots. So let me assume, due to my editing, I want to make this thing a circular roof, not a circular wall. I want to show you something. So sometimes this is a circular wall, and you'll be wondering, how am I going to draw this particular roof? Now you can go back to your roof. If you like, you can make it 4 corners. You can make it just 4 corners if you want to, just the way it is. Then you click on highlight it. What did I do here? This place, you click it once. Once you click it, it will show you this icon. It shows that, do you want to drag this place? If you click here, it shows that you want to drag it. You want to make another point. If I drop it here, it's making another point. But that's not what I want to achieve. When you click it, it shows this option. Then I'll click this particular option. So if you drag it to the end, let me bring some back. Let me drag this in. But just follow the step. Just follow what I'm doing. You can practicalize it on your own. And I want to bring some back. So I'm going to extend this. So if I click this edge, I extend it. If I click this edge, I shift it to the wall. If I click this edge, I shift it to the wall. As you can see what I'm having here, I'm having a circular roof. Why? Because I just choose to twist the roof so that it will follow the shape of the wall. But still, you can still format, you can still delete this particular roof. Let me say assume I deleted this roof. You can still go on your roof, click on this particular method, then you highlight, touching it. Let me see, touching this particular roof, touching the side. You can still draw it according to that particular method to follow the shape of the wall. Based on that, you have touched it to go in circular form. So you see, this is a circular form method. So this is another method. And the third method I want you to understand is using the magic wand method. This is the wall. You touch on your roof, you press your space bar, then you touch the roof, you click the roof. Once, this is the roof. Check out, let me delete this roof. This roof is not here, for instance. I have deleted the roof is not here. Then I'll go back to my floor plan. The roof is not there. Click the roof. For instance, click your roof. You have clicked the roof already. Then come down to touch the wall of the roof. Touch your space bar. Space bar shows magic wand. Once you touch, you see this. You see, As you touch it, you see the way it's taking the shape of the wall. But you have touched, as you touch it, you have touched the wall already. To touch the wall already, then you click it. Then it have take the shape of the roof. Now this is another method. Now I'm done with circular roof. Let me delete this one, for instance. Now let me say we are having a wall. Please just gradually follow the step. You will understand it. Let me assume that we're having, I'm just trying to sketch any kind of wall. Let me say we are having something of this nature. Okay. Now, let me ungroup all of this thing. Ctrl Shift G. This is the short form. Then I can cut middle. Now this is what we're having. Assume, and I want to draw roof on it. I click on this. Remember, their basic setting. This side is your flat roof, while this side is your hip roof or gable roof. It depends on which one you want to make use of. Once you make use of this, let me for instance, it's just single. So, but I don't want to make use of this on single form. I want to make it on box. You see, now it's box. Once you check it on 3D, you see this one did not take the shape of the roof all. I'm just trying to show you another method. I don't want to show you the method that, okay, let me assume that I can delete this particular roof and still touch on my roof, and I still touch on this flat roof. I still use this line gradually to follow it. Let me assume to follow the roof. This is another method too. I'm just trying to take shape of the wall, all of it. Click it. Now you see this is roof for you. This is another roof, but I don't want to follow this method. I don't want to use this method. But all of them will we arrive at the same result. You understand? So I'm going back to my floor plan. I'm deleting this particular roof right now. So I click. I just want to show you some basic method of editing. I click on the roof. Click this particular one. It takes me based on the box. So I click the roof and I'll touch this edge. Once you click this edge, it will show you that this is space to delete, to subtract. I will click this subtract it from here. Now you see it has subtract. I'll click on it again. I'll touch to add. It will add. I'll click again. I'll touch to what? To add. It will add. Now you see the same result but different method. Look at it, the same result but different method. Why did I choose to show you this method? I'll choose to show you this method because if you click on this middle, for instance, you click on this middle, it won't bring the minus sign exactly the way that one is actually. For instance, if you click on this side, you see it's not showing you anything like curve. It only show you, once you click on this, you can extend it, you can enlarge the roof, you can reduce the roof. You see, you have enlarged the roof. That's it. But that's not what I'm trying to show you. I just want to show you this is some basic editing of the roof. So let's go back. If you click on this one, it shows you that I want to drag, not to move the knob. But once you click on this one, it shows you that I want to drag the entire roof. You understand? So now let me show you something. Once you click on this, I showed you the circular method the other time earlier. So once you click on it, this place is trying to take you to the circular method. You see, look at it. Look at what you have achieved. You see, this is another method. Now let me change the material of this roof so that you see it as roof. Go to model, on all your materials, your materials. Look at it. Now let me go back to floor plan. Let me bring it back to normal. Let me change the materials also again. Now I want to show you some little trick. With this one, if you check, let me go back to 3D, you will see all of this thing is Dutch roof, right? It's Dutch, is gable roof. All of this thing is gable roof. So if I want to make here, if I want to project here to make it hip roof, what I'm going to do is that now, if I want to draw hip roof from initial, if I want to draw hip roof from basic, what am I doing? If I want to draw hip roof from basic, I'll click on this. I want to show you some type of roof. If you want to draw hippie from basic, it's a different method entirely. Once you click on this, now look at this method. Look at this point that I'm moving my mouse. This point. Click on this point. It will show you this particular point. You see, stretch horizontal ridge. Then this one, drag horizontal ridge. Once you stretch, go back to your stretch. Once you stretch the horizontal ridge to its ending. Now, check out, this place is flat now. It's straight without that curve here. So once you go back to your 3D, you will see that it's gable, it's hip roof. You understand? That's what I want you to understand. Now once you, the same, if you click on this particular place, if you click on it, then let me assume you click on this edge, it will show you minus sign. Once you click on this subtract, let me say you drag, you draw your wall here. What you're having here, you're having hole, you have an opening here. This is how to make an opening on a roof. So you can play with your roof. And another third one that I want to show you before, once you go back to your setting, this is a roof setting. You go back to your geometric and positioning. You go back to your multi-story. Once you add this story, you add story. Let me say you add. You see, you're having one story. If you add plenty story. You're having it. Look at it. It's having an angle, different kind of angle. But let me assume that we're only making use of one. You delete this one, you delete the second one, we're making use of two. Once you click your OK, because you're having 45 degrees. Now this is what you're having. At this particular place, having if on a tree without altering it, it will become normal. Right? I want to explain something. It will become normal. You're not seeing anything. But once you go back to your floor plan, you edit this place, you touch it. You click on it, and you choose to edit, draw it to a horizontal ridge. Look at this one. Once you draw it to here, go back to your 3D. What you're having, you'll be having a Dodge roof. Look at the Dodge. You can fill it with anything you want to. This is a Dodge roof here. You understand? Now, if you click on this roof, you discover that this roof is having like two edge. Look at one of the edge from here, from here to here, and one of the edge from here to here. This is the edge. This is the round of the edge. Now, this in turn, you can move this edge. Let me show you in 3D form. You can click on this. You can move this edge to the normal. Look at it. Let me Ctrl Z it. What I just did is just that. I click on the wall, on the roof. I click on this point, and I move the edge. You see, why is this impossible? It is possible because you're having the roof in two forms. Like it's having a two angle. So it's working with the angle. So that's it. So now let me go to the next explanation. Now the next explanation, I showed you how to do it. Now in this particular one, you can see, let me delete this roof. You can still click your roof, you click your space bar. Now your space bar is showing you magic one. This is magic one. This is what I'm doing, is magic one. Once I'm clicking the roof, as you're clicking your space bar, because you touch the roof, the wall, it will show you exactly the shape of the roof. That's how you can draw past roof. Then you click it. If you want to draw roof that are irregular shape, you do the same thing. Now you're having the same roof. You see? Now let me go back to my wall. I want to delete this particular wall now. I want to draw roof with irregular shape using this Archicad. I want to delete this. I'm having a wall. Let me see, I'm having a circular wall. Sorry. I just want to show something. Now, what I'm doing, the wall is in group. I want to Ctrl Shift G to ungroup it. So now I want to trim the middle. I want to cut the middle, all of it. Ctrl Z. You see, drawing this roof will be more difficult to copy your wall, though it will be simple. But what I'm trying to say is that once you click your roof, you click your space bar, then you touch your wall. If you take the shape once, go back to your 3D. This is what you're having. This can only be achieved faster using Magic Wand. You understand? But still, you can still draw it. Go back to your floor plan. Let me assume that I deleted the roof. I delete this particular roof. I click on roof. Then I use this shape. Let me use this. I'm just using a possible angle. So once I click here, I double click this. I click this once. I can move it. You see, it's possible, but what I just tried to show you, you click on it. Click on it. Once you click this middle, you move it. You see, you're still having the same thing. You understand? There are very different kind of method of achieving it. So still, you can still perforate it if you want to. So you click on this, click your minus sign, then you make a hole on it. Let me use it. Make a hole. Make plenty hole. Make a hole. Click on it. Because it's on minus sign, I'll make a hole. Click on it. Click on that. Destiny. Make a hole. So what we are having now. Once you go back to your roof, you will see space on them. Why? Because you choose to make a hole on it. So you can be saying true. So thank you for listening. I'm doing great. Please do me a favor and subscribe. Motivate me. Thanks.